Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm providing you with an updated review of Incfile in 2023. So if you notice, Incfile recently did a rebranding and visual redesign of their website, but the actual process and availability of their free starter LLC formation package actually remains exactly the same. You can still form an LLC through Incfile, paying only the state filing fees with $0 in setup charges from Incfile, and their paid formation packages continue to provide a great value as well. If you'd like to form your LLC seamlessly with Incfile, then feel free to check the link in our description down below to get you started with Incfile and their amazing service. But to give you an inside look so you know what to expect when you use Incfile's service to create your LLC online, you'd first have to create an account and log into it, and then you'll see your company name displayed along with the registered state and the current active status. So click on View Company to access the full dashboard and the suite of services. There's the recommendations section, which provides suggestions like setting up a dedicated business bank account or accessing useful legal templates to help your new business operate smoothly. There's also the key service they provide, which is the registered agent, which is a third-party person or company that handles and receives important legal documents, and also the communications on behalf of your LLC. This registered agent service is included for free in your plan for the first year, and then renews at a cost of $119 per year after that. So they do charge, but you basically get a free trial period up front. And in your order history section, you can view detailed receipts from when you initially formed your LLC through Incfile, providing helpful records of your formation transactions. One critical area to stay on top of is the Compliance tab. This tracks any annual reports, company minutes, or other filings needed to keep your LLC in good standing and legally compliant in your state. Incfile also provides email alerts and reminders to let you know when any compliance paperwork or taxes are coming due, so you basically never miss important deadlines. And for handling your ongoing state compliance filings and annual reports, Incfile charges a $99 service fee plus your state's filing cost. Which in my opinion, it's worth paying Incfile to stay on top of this important compliance because it keeps everything seamlessly organized in one place. Under the completed documents section, you can view, download, and print the official articles of organization, statements of information, and any other documents filed when you originally set up your LLC. The Mailbox section delivers important notifications from Incfile, such as renewal reminders when your registered agent service is up for renewal. There's also a state and IRS filing section that provides access to extra services for additional fees, such as obtaining an EIN number, filing dissolution paperwork when you eventually close your LLC, or ordering a certificate of good standing, and much more. So after using Incfile's services for an LLC, you can clearly see the wide range of benefits that they provide and how clear and transparent the pricing is. Let's not forget that there is an availability of a $0 starter plan plus clearly outlined optional upgrades makes the process of forming an LLC very straightforward. I hope that this kind of updated inside view of navigating the Incfile dashboard provides valuable insight for anyone considering forming an LLC through their excellent service. If you do decide to sign up, then make sure to check the link in our description down below. It helps support the channel and it has absolutely zero extra cost to you. If you found this video enjoyable or informative to watch, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing for our future videos.